Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to do Monster High coloring on Android as one of you requested it. Just go to VN Editor app and export the video you want to put the coloring in, and there will be an option called filter and search the filter M3. Select that and there will be a exhaust option. Click in that and there will be search 𝐭𝐚𝐠𝐢𝐞𝐬 and put it in -14 and save the video. Now export the video to Prequel app and do the setting given in the screen. Search sparkle and do the option like thing given in the screen again. Then save the video.
Thank you all for watching till the end. Comment down which coloring should I do next.